Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, English for You with Sabina. Today we're gonna talk about present simple. This tense is used frequently in English, so let's dive in. We use the present simple for permanent states, repeated actions, and daily routines. He works in a post office. She takes the bus to work every morning. For general truth and laws of nature, the sun sets in the west. For timetables and programs, the train from New York arrives at 8:30 p.m. The plane leaves at 5 o'clock. For sports commentaries, reviews, and narration, Mike plays the part of Macbeth. The prince gets on his horse and quickly rides away. To give instructions or directions, you sprinkle some cheese on the pizza and then you bake it. The present simple is used with the following time expressions, such as often, always, every day, in the morning, at night, at the weekend, on Mondays. And the most important thing is that in the third person we add s. Okay, so normally we say I speak English at home, you speak English at home, they speak English at home, but when you want to use the third person such as he, she, or it, then we should add s, like he speaks English at home, she speaks English at home, and it speaks English at home. For verbs that end in O, CH, SH, double S, X, or Z, we add ES in the third person. For example, go, goes, catch, catches, wash, washes, kiss, kisses, fix, fixes. For verbs that end in a consonant plus Y, we remove the Y and add IES. For example, when you see the verb study, then we have to change it for studies. Carry, carries. Worry, worries. Marry, marries. For verbs that end in a vowel plus Y, we just add S. For example, play, plays, enjoy, enjoys. How we can make the negative sentence in the present simple tense? To make a negative sentence in English, we normally use don't and doesn't. With all verbs, expect to be and modal verbs like can, should, may, might. You speak French. The negative form of this sentence is you don't speak French. You don't speak French. You will see that we add don't between the subject and the verb. We use don't when the subject is I, you, we, or they. When the subject is he, she, or it, we add doesn't between the subject and the verb to make a negative sentence. He speaks German. He doesn't speak German. He doesn't speak German. Notice that little s at the end of the verb in the affirmative sentence disappears in the negative sentence. What about questions? To make a question in English, we normally use do or does. It is normally put at the beginning of the question. We will see that we add do at the beginning of the affirmative sentence to make it a question. We use do when the subject is I, you, we, or they. You speak English. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? When the subject is he, she, or it, we add does at the beginning to make the affirmative sentence a question. He speaks French. Does he speak French? Does he speak French? And let's remember that the letter S at the end of the verb in the affirmative sentence disappears in the question. Short answers. In questions that use do or does, it is possible to give short answers to direct questions as follows. Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he like riding his bike? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Now let's practice a little bit, especially the third person singular with the classic song Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. The lyrics of this song contain some examples of the present simple tense. So, which of the verbs in the lyrics below are in the third person singular? Choose the option that you think are correct.
So beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates, but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and of course don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye!